Against the backdrop of rich culture and tradition of the people, Igwe Ofala of Akwaeze community has marked his 4th Ofala festival. Our correspondent reports that the colorful event drew together indigenes and visitors to the community. The reports. The Ofala festival began with a solemn mass to rededicate the throne and the people, acknowledging God's mercies upon the people.
This Ofala, this is a traditional festival. It's not contradicting any Christian faith. And that is why we started with the celebration of the Mass. So it is really in order, and it is a way of commending and handing over to God the people, and then asking for God's guidance and protection on them, and that God will lead them to greater progress.
Tata kaine mezie mas return and Ofala or ebukoti ofoge kandi na anata na umufa anata wenwe ike ina abi ofoge okara na agba ya iche Ofala anata nke ọma anata nke mana achozi ka fanche niile na abata fa bata fa malu ikuba mali befa malu ben na foche malu ben ne foche malu pa ka ko shine di especially in this
Then came the grand entrance of the traditional ruler Igwe Ofala, the Eze Nnebo III and his subjects. In a traditional show of loyalty, industrious sons and various groups presented tokens of appreciation to the traditional ruler to reaffirm their support.
Akwaeze di n'udo, so anyị na-ajụ ka ndị Akwaeze debe obodo fa n'udo na-akwado Igwe fa ka ọganiru wee na-abata.
I pray for long life and prosperity as it stays on the throne. Long live the king and long live Akwaeze. Long live Nigeria.
The Ofala festival signifies cultural continuity and communal unity and reinforces the Igbo tradition.